What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be talking about Python 3 for Ubuntu Linux. So what you're going to want to do, fire up your terminal and type in this command, python 3 -- version. In this case I get an output Python 3.8.10, which means I already have Python installed. If you get an unrecognizable command error for Python 3, then try typing python -- version, and in this case I get the command not found error because Python 3 is what's set up as my command in my environment. One of these two almost 100% should give you an output like this, like python 3.x.x. I actually tried to uninstall Python 3 from Ubuntu, so then I could show how to do it in a video, and when I uninstalled Python 3, it actually kind of wrecked my virtual machine. Like couldn't access terminal anymore. When I tried to restart it, it wouldn't even boot. So it's like Ubuntu has a dependency on Python 3, which means it pretty much has to be on, included in your Ubuntu image, or install. I'm sorry. So I hate to say this, if you somehow don't have Python 3 installed on Ubuntu, there are some resources out there if you do a Google search for how to install Python 3 on Ubuntu, but it leaves me very suspect because Python 3 should be installed. To me it seems like Ubuntu has a dependency on Python 3, as in Ubuntu can't even run without Python 3 installed. So if somehow you don't have Python from these, when you go to check if it's installed, you can try using other resources, but it just leaves me very suspect. Like, you should have Python 3 by default. So yeah, this isn't exactly the video that I wanted to make, but it was also a good realization for me that Python 3 just comes by default with Ubuntu. So yeah, that's really it for the content on this video, and it's kind of unfortunate that I didn't show the install, but at the same time, just like, it should just be there. It should just work. So yeah, that does it for this one. With that, I want to say thank you for watching, and I do have a Discord server if you're interested in joining. The link is in the description. It's 100% free and 100% up to you if you want to be a part of the PySupply community. I do appreciate the view, and as always, thank you.